Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you the 3 new baby birds. Well, 2 plus an injured baby bird. It's not a boy, it's a girl. But so let me just introduce you to all the birds. Even the new bird. There's 3 babies and 1 new bird. He actually grew up a lot since I last filmed. So let's just go in here. We now have 14 birds. No, we now have 13 because one of them didn't make it. And we have 2. Who's? What? Oh! This is Fidelo. This is Nathan. She has 2 eggs. Nathan, you want to get up, sweetie? Yeah, let's just This is Fidelo. Stop, Fidelo. Okay, she doesn't want to. Then we have Sophie. Yes. Peep, peep. Ah! Peep, peep. Rocky. Where's Pecky? It just showed. Right. Well, we have Bella, Blackie, Snowy, and 2 little birds. And then we have the injured one. No! No! Come over here. Please don't. Go. Wait, because I have to really quickly get a bird. Okay, guys, so this is the other bird. He's injured. She's injured. She is Bella and Pecky's. Oh, sorry, baby. She's Bella and Pecky's bird. Baby. Okay, that one is Pecky. This one is Gabriel. He's the new bird. Okay, guys. Since I don't want to make this only a 2-minute long video. Yes. I wanted to do something. I'm gonna show you some new things that are in the backyard. So this is a beautiful security camera. Yes. Say hi. Yeah. Anyway, quick thing I wanted to tell you: subscribe and like this video to see more content of me. Yeah. And then I accidentally left this outside yesterday. It's been right here for like 2,000 years. This broke. This right here is breaking. And the most exciting thing ever. Oh, wait. Okay. There are so many mango flowers on there. And they're going to turn, there's so many flowers on there. And they're all going to turn into mangoes. Look. Look at all that. Now all that. Look, guys. All those yellow little flower thingies are all gonna turn into mangoes. Literally. We're gonna have so many mangoes here. Miss Samantha, if you're watching this, I will give you guys 1 mango. Or 2. Yes, we have mangoes all here. Sorry, because there's like another plant. All of these. Yesterday I saw a bee pollinating them. One of them. And so the bee will make it grow. Alright, here is where we're loaded with mangoes. Look at all that. We're gonna be bombed with mangoes. Guys, I went like this one. And it kind of hurt. Ugh. And this is me, branch, that I swing off. Do you guys want to swing with me? Okay. Wait, let's see if I can even swing on it. Oh my gosh, it's so scary. Okay, let me see if I can do it with one hand. Okay, give me a second. Okay, guys, you guys are going to swing with me now. Oh my gosh, that was so hard to land. Guys, wanna jump with me? Let's jump. 3, 2, 1, go! Ah! I stepped on a nut, even though I have shoes on. Yeah. This is another one of my favorite branches because I can actually do gymnastics on it. Yeah. Oh, this one died. Like it died. Sad. Anyway. He's beautiful, but Bella. So we have these flowers. They're like Bird of Paradise flowers, and they're so pretty because they look like the Hawaii flowers. And they go like that's a spider. There, guys, it's a legitimate spider. There's a spider. Wish no. There's a spider. If you guys don't know, I have arachnophobia. It means the fear of spiders. Oh God. I was literally not joking. Anyway, they go in those little pots, and I have a picture of me having this in my hair, like this. It's so pretty. I'm gonna put it back in my hair. Look, pretty. I have a friend. She also has a YouTube channel. It's called Bella Rose. She is one of my friends, and I really want to do a collab with her. So, Bella, I might do a collab with you. We should do one because that'd be really exciting. So, yeah. Yes. Anyway, let me see if I can get the bird. Just for you guys, wait. Ooh. Hey! No attacking other birds. So guys, this is Gabriel. So cute. Let me get in. Hey guys, this is Gabriel. Such a good bird. Ew. He stinks though, but it's fine. I mean, birds are made to grow up in the wild. Ooh. He is fluid. Anyway. Okay, we